Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Patan, and today we are going to discuss another group in P block, oxygen family, group 16. In last two videos I explained physical and chemical properties of nitrogen family trends, and today I am going to explain oxygen family physical properties. Group 16 physical properties. I am going to explain to you about this family. See here, today I am explaining physical properties. Physical properties and their trends also, how they are changing along with the groups. You know very well, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. These are oxygen family members. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. If anybody need atomic number, oxygen is 8, sulfur is, you know very well, 16, selenium 34, and this is tellurium 52, polonium 84. Polonium 84. This another name we have. Another name. Chalcogens. Another name we are calling chalcogens. Group 16 elements called as chalcogens. Why we are calling chalcogens means, the meaning for chalcogen is ore forming. Ore forming means they can capable to form ores or mineral forming also. Chalcogens nothing but ore forming or mineral forming. They can capable to form ores or minerals. If anybody have difficulty to remember this oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, a small trick I will show to you. See with one sentence. Om Syam Site are in Poland. This is the line. Om Syam Site are in Poland. You go for O means oxygen, S means sulfur, S is selenium, T is tellurium, R in just a sentence, PO Poland. Om Syam Site are in Poland. Om Syam Site are the names. Om Syam Site are in Poland. Just a trick. One thing you remember, trick can't give complete information. It gives some extent to remember. That's it only. So, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium are group 16 elements. Another name, chalcogens. Chalcogens means ore forming. Ore forming. Or another name we can say that mineral forming. Mineral forming. They can form mineral or ore. Ore forming or mineral forming. The family members are, we can remember by the trick, Om Syam Site are in Poland. Their atomic numbers are given. Now properties we'll discuss. I am giving here physical state. Physical state. Physical state of this family I am giving here. You know very well, oxygen is gas, and remaining all are solids. Remaining all solids. Only oxygen is gas. Remaining all are solids. That is physical state. Next property, nature. Nature of these group elements. Nature of these group elements. Oxygen, sulfur are non-metals. Non-metals. Selenium and tellurium are metalloids. Metalloids. And the polonium is a metal as well as radioactive. So radioactive metal, that is. Radioactive metal. Remember, polonium is a radioactive metal. So that is the nature of this family. Next, atomicity. Atomicity I told already. Number of atoms present in a molecule. Oxygen is diatomic. Sulfur, selenium, tellurium. Sulfur, selenium, tellurium are polyatomic. S8, Se8, Te8. Polonium is monoatomic. Monoatomic. Oxygen is diatomic and sulfur, selenium, tellurium polyatomic. Polonium only monoatomic. Next property, general valence shell electronic configuration. This group, all members showing NS2, NP4, means in valence we have 6 electrons. So in valence shell we have 6 electrons. 6 electrons availability is there. Next property, that is covalent radius or ionic radius. So radius nothing but size. See, in this family there is no irregularity in trends. All are regular properties only. Whether covalent radius or ionic radius, down the group increasing. Down the group increasing. So oxygen less than sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. The reason is principal quantum number increasing, radius increasing. Principal quantum number increasing, radius increasing. Both covalent radius and ionic radius both are going to be increase. Next, we have another property, electron gain enthalpy, or we are calling electron affinity. So these are having negative electron gain enthalpy. Negative electron gain enthalpy. General trend is down the group electron gain enthalpy decreasing. Electron gain enthalpy decreasing. But a small irregularity is there. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Down the group, what I told, decreasing. But oxygen only we have less when compared sulfur. This irregularity is there. Why oxygen having less negative enthalpy, that is electron gain enthalpy, means due to compact nature. Due to compact nature. Compact nature of oxygen. Compact means close arrangement. What is the meaning for compact? Close arrangement of molecule. So oxygen only having less when compared sulfur, remaining regular only. Next, we have another property, ionization energy or ionization potential or ionization enthalpy. Energy, enthalpy, potential. As you know very well, down the group, electron, that is ionization energy, going to be decrease. Ionization energy going to be decrease. Y means we have, that is size, means radius going to be decrease. Sorry, radius going to be increase. R value increase. R value increasing means size increasing and the outermost electron is away from the nucleus, then easy to remove. Next, another property we are going to discuss, density. Density of 6th group or 16th group elements. You know very well, density down the group increasing. Down the group increasing. Density going to be increase. Why density going to be increase means molar mass increasing. You know, D equal to M by V. Molar mass increasing now down the group. As mass increasing, density also increasing. Next, we have another important property, that is melting point and boiling point. Boiling point and melting point. Here there is no irregularity, general trend only. Down the group, melting and boiling points are going to be increase. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Down the group, mass increasing now. Mass increasing means melting and boiling points are going to be increase. So oxygen less than sulfur, sulfur less than selenium, tellurium, and here a small irregularity, polonium less because radioactive. Why polonium having less melting and boiling point? It has the radioactive nature. Polonium half-life time is only 13.8 days. Half-life time is 13.8 days. What is half-life time means? Polonium total atoms has to reduce to half. For example, it has polonium Avogadro number of atoms. So Avogadro number of atoms we have to reduce to half. It will take some time. That time is 13.8 days. 13.8 days. So that is melting point and boiling point. And another property also we have, that we have to discuss, physical property, allotropic nature. Allotropic nature. What is allotropy? An element can exist in 2 or more forms. 2 or more forms. Generally this group elements exist except tellurium. Remember, except tellurium, all exhibit allotropic nature. You know very well, oxygen exists in 2 forms, O2 and O3, diatomic, triatomic, atomicity 2, atomicity 3. Remember, these 2 forms only we have. Remember, oxygen O2 is paramagnetic in nature, and O3 is diamagnetic in nature. Remember, O2 is paramagnetic, O3 is diamagnetic. I am mentioning here O2 is paramagnet, O3 is diamagnet. Both are forms of oxygens only. That you have to remember. Dia-para can be addressed by MOT, molecular orbital theory. Para means we have unpaired electrons. Dia means all are paired electrons. Paired electrons. And structure also different. Oxygen linear, O3 is angular shape. O3 angular shape, oxygen is linear shape. Next we have sulfur. Sulfur exists in generally S2 form, S6 form, S8 form. Generally we have monoclinic, prismatic and plastic sulfur, alpha, beta, gamma. S2 form is there, S6 form is there, S8 form is there. And general trend is S6 and S8. S8 are ring type structure. Ring type structure. You know very well, S6 having chair like structure, chair, and S8 crown structure. Crown structure. S2 exists in vapor stage. S2 exists in vapor stage. Generally we have sulfur, rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur, plastic sulfur. Yes, that forms. Most stable form is rhombic. And molecular structures are S2, S6, S8. S6 and S8 are ring type. S6 is chair form, S8 crown form. S2 in vapor stage, more than 1000 K temperature. Clear? And this S2 you remember previously given for competitive. S2 form of sulfur, S2 form of sulfur is paramagnetic in nature. Remember, S2 form of sulfur, that is allotropic form, S2 is paramagnetic in nature. Remember that, very important. And we have selenium next. Oxygen 2 forms, sulfur 3 forms, selenium 6 forms we have. Tellurium almost 0. Polonium is a radioactive element. Its half-life time is 13.8 days only. That's why its melting boiling points also very less. This is about physical properties. Physical properties are trends of 16th group element chalcogens, ore forming or mineral forming. How to remember? Ohms and Scythia are in Poland. Just you remember that. Then in next video we are discussing trends of 16th group chemical properties. Thank you.